Okay, this video is that over 10,000 research papers, medical research papers, were retracted in the year 2023, and that's a new record. According to one article I read, less than 100 were retracted in the year 2000. And this seems to me to be the case that more and more so-called medical research journals are owned by industry, and industry is funding the papers that are in those journals, and they own the scientists, and they're just sort of controlling what gets published, and that's really not free objective research. So anyways, this is partly why too you need an intelligent mind to be thoughtful about what you believe, and there should be ways to have checks and balances to know that something is more likely to be true. For example, the papers published before, the modern era of industry funding, especially going back, let's say, before 1980, I tend to find those more useful. Or if it makes sense, if there's a mechanism by which it makes sense. Because you can think about the mechanism. For example, let's just say caffeine. It's a stimulant, therefore it's going to be associated with insomnia, therefore it's going to be associated probably with excitotoxicity as it is, and you can expect it to do other things that a stimulant might do. Increase the risk of atrial fibrillation. Fine, okay? So anyways, I thought this was interesting. That's a lot of papers, Industry is controlling too much of the research and leading to most of the research not being as useful as it should be.